Hi there, warm welcome. You're watching Blueprint Explosive Exclusive and I'm Meghna Deka. First up on the bulletin, let's ask a simple question to which we don't have an answer. Did the former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Tejashwi Yadav, steal from his own Sarkari bungalow? Did he steal and loot items such as air conditioners, beds, taps and even sofas and wash basin? Well, it does sound a bit bizarre, but does it also sound familiar? Well, it is, after all, an allegation by the BJP against the RJD leader and former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Tejashwi Yadav, who just now has vacated the Deputy Chief Minister's official Sarkari Bangla, of course, just 2 days back in Patna. Now, the house that you can see the shots on your screens, it has now been allotted to the current Deputy Chief Minister, Samrat Chaudhary. So, in response, the RJD has said that there is no such allegation or no such truth in the allegation. But the BJP has said that it is going to release a list, an itinerary of all the alleged missing items which they say have been stolen by Tejashwi after he vacated this bungalow. Take a look at this report filed by our reporter.
अब आरोप लग रहा है कि तेजस्वी यादव ने जब ये बंगला खाली किया है तो इसमें कई सामान गायब है। एसी, बेड, सोफा से लेकर कई सामान जो है इस बंगले से गायब हो गया है, ऐसा आरोप लगाया जा रहा है। देखिए यहाँ पर जो देखरेख करते हैं सुशील कुमार मोदी जब डिप्टी सीएम थे तब भी ये साथ में थे और अब सम्राट चौधरी यहाँ पर हैं। क्या क्या गायब आप लोग को लग रहा है?
देखिए, सबसे पहले जब सुशील मोदी जी उप मुख्यमंत्री बन के इस आवास में प्रवेश किए थे, आप लोग सभी मीडिया के लोग थे, आप देखे होंगे कि ऊपर 2 हाइड्रोलिक पलंग था। अभी ऊपर एक भी पलंग नहीं है, एक कमरा में एगो पलंग है बस।
ये कार्यालय मीटिंग हॉल है,
ये कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल है। हाँ। देख लीजिए
यहाँ पर, यहाँ एसी एक, हाँ ये उखाड़ा हुआ है।
हाँ, और मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, मैं बार बार बता रहा हूँ कि आरोप नहीं सच्चाई दिखा रहा हूँ। देख लिए वो क्या है,
देखिए यहाँ एक एसी का, हाँ बिल्कुल वो जो आप निशान देख रहे हैं एसी का,
वो क्या है, ये देखिए क्या है, वो देखिए क्या है वो,
हाँ वो दिखाई। देखिए यहाँ पर भी एसी खोला हुआ है, ये जो छेद आप देख पा रहे हैं और ये पूरा निशान है। वहाँ भी एक एसी था,
यहाँ एक भी आदमी बैठते थे नहीं क्या।
और ये देखिए आप सामने ये बंगला है, ये तो कार्यालय है, ऑफिस कार्यालय, और वो बंगला सामने। एक बार पहले बंगला में हम लोग देख लेते हैं कि यहाँ से क्या कुछ है। ये देखिए ये डिप्टी सीएम का बंगला है, डिप्टी सीएम को आवंटित होता है। तो आइए सीढ़ी से एक बार ऊपर भी देखते हैं इस बंगले में, क्योंकि डिप्टी सीएम का ये बंगला है और इसमें हर तरह की सुविधाएं रहती है, बेड से लेकर सब, क्योंकि रहने से लेकर सब व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए।
हाँ, इसी में हाइड्रोलिक पलंग लगा हुआ था। हाँ, और देख लीजिए इसमें वीआईपी रहते थे, एक भी एसी आपको दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा है।
बिल्कुल ये बेडरूम है और देखिए ये आप बेड का पीछे का जो बैक एरिया होता है वो यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर बेड नहीं है।
Well, now wondering why I called it familiar? Well, remember in 2018 when Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav vacated his Sarkari Bangla, there were tiles which were found broken. Water taps, lights, bathroom fittings were found missing and even the swimming pool was damaged. BJP had called Akhilesh that this is tutti chori. In fact, interestingly, Akhilesh as well as Tejashwi are not the only ones who have been accused of stealing from their government bungalows while vacating it. In fact, former Punjab Minister Manpreet Singh Badal had also accused in the past of stealing from the government allotted furniture from his official residence. Pappu Yadav, who is a Lok Sabha MP, allegedly stole things as well and left things in a vandalized condition in the government bungalow that he had occupied. Let's tell you what exactly BJP is saying about Tejashwi.
क्या स्थिति है वो तो निश्चित रूप से जांच कर लेना चाहिए कि जो सरकार की चीज़ें हैं वो सरकार के पास रहें। कुछ निजी चीज़ें अगर आप खरीदते हैं या रखते हैं तब तो उसको आप ले जाते हैं तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर सरकार की संपत्ति को आप उठा कर ले जाते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं राष्ट्रीय जनता दल का चरित्र तो इस प्रकार का रहा ही है शुरू से। और उनके पहले भी जब उनको छोटे भाई को, बड़े भाई को बंगला छोड़ना पड़ा था तो कई तरह की उन्होंने कारनामे किए थे। इंडिया अलायंस के लोग हैं तो इस तरह की संस्कृति तो उनकी पुरानी आदतें रही है और इसी संस्कृति में लोग पड़े हुए हैं।
चारा चोरी, जमीन चोरी, जॉब चोरी के बाद अब इंडिया अलायंस के नेता जो सरकारी आवास उनको आवंटित होता है उसमें से टोटी चोरी, फिटिंग चोरी, बेड चोरी, बेसिन चोरी पर उतर आए हैं। एक बार नहीं, अनेकों बार इस प्रकार के उदाहरण देखने मिले हैं। कोई उत्तर प्रदेश में अपना घर खाली करता है तो नल चोरी कर देता है, नल उखाड़ के ले जाता है। कोई बिहार में, पटना में अपना घर खाली करता है सरकारी, तो बेड, फिटिंग, बेसिन ये सब चोरी हो जाता है या ये सब उठा कर ले जाते हैं। और दिल्ली में तो जब शीश महल छोड़ा जाता है, पूरा वीडियो बनाया गया कि हम हैंड ओवर कर रहे हैं। अब पीडब्ल्यूडी का लेटर आया है कि भाई घर की तो चाबी दी ही नहीं है।
Meanwhile, the RJD has hit back at the BJP, accusing it of playing petty politics and suffering from Tejashvi phobia. Watch this.
श्री तेजस्वी यादव जी ने जो उप मुख्यमंत्री रहते हुए बंगला मिला था उसे खाली कर दिया। अब बीजेपी घटिया सियासत कर रही है, अच्छी राजनीति कर रही है। अब कह रही है कि तेजस्वी यादव जी एसी खोलकर चले गए, बेड लेकर चले गए। इसी से पता चलता है ये तेजस्वी यादव जी के फोबिया से ग्रसित हैं। इतना गिरा हुआ राजनीति, निचले स्तर पर राजनीति बीजेपी ही कर सकती है, ये जनता सब देख रही है। अगर बीजेपी को चाहिए कि तेजस्वी यादव जी ही उनके बंगले में एसी लगा दें और बेड पहुंचा दें तो वो कर देंगे।
Well, let me go across to our panelists. Joining us today on the show, Neeraj Kumar, BJP spokesperson. Dr. Nikul Patel is joining us of the Congress Party. Now, I'm coming to you first, Mr. Neeraj Kumar. Is the RJD right कि बीजेपी को तेजस्वी फोबिया हो गया है? नल, टैंक, एसी, बेड, इन सब के पीछे पड़े हुए हैं क्योंकि उनको खतरा लगता है कि सबसे बड़ा खतरा बीजेपी के लिए तेजस्वी हो गया है बिहार में।
बीजेपी के लिए तो खतरा हो ही नहीं सकते। अभी बाढ़ का समय है और बिहार में राघोपुर जहाँ के वो विधायक हैं वहां से वो लापता है। वहां की जनता ने लापता का पोस्टर लगाया इनके लिए। ये तो बैचलर पार्टी बना रहे हैं दुबई में, तो इनसे कैसा पॉलिटिकल खतरा? इनको तो बिहार की जनता नकार चुकी है। दरअसल दिस इज ए वेरी डाउनग्रेड वर्जन ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स। सेम ऑन तेजस्वी यादव, सेम ऑन आई एम सेइंग इफ द असिस्टेंट ऑफ द ऑनरेबल डिप्टी सीएम मिस्टर शत्रुघ्न मेकिंग सच एलिगेशन, then it seems true because he had lived in same Bangalore before also. He has seen it, what kind of things were there. तो ये राजद का कल्चर रहा है. This is the culture of Lalu family and this is the identity of RJD. To steal the even loot the public money and to make government property his own. This is their culture.
This is the culture of the RJD. Dr. Nikul Patel, your alliance partner, is now being accused of, after Chara Chori, now even AC Chori, even Nalka Chori.
See, I would like to make your audience aware that when Rahul Gandhi was vacating his house, when his member of parliament was banned for a few days, you have seen the people were there who were taking the charge of that particular bungalow. Similarly, Shehzad Poonawalla rightly said, their own BJP counterpart, that is the PWD department who takes the process every single minute. So now, when the charge was given to the PWD department, whether that was taken properly or not, first thing. Secondly, if we talk of Tejasvi Yadav, he was on the constitutional position and he is a deputy chief, he was the deputy chief minister. I don't understand what blame this kind of people wants to make on us.
But Nikul Patel, you just saw the evidence. It's there on our screens. ACs are missing. There are big holes there on the walls. We can see all of that. Hydraulic bed, which there were visuals of, is missing. There's only the bed's head post which is left. Now the entire bed is gone, Dr. Nikul Patel. And you are saying it's the PWD's fault.
That means you are telling that the PWD department officers who were from the Bihar government, headed by the Bharatiya Janata Party government, has not taken care of the things and now they want to blame that.
But वो लेके चले गए. That's the charge. He took it.
It's really not good. If you see, the same charges were framed on Akhilesh Yadav. These Bharatiya Janata Party just want to make hue and cry of the things which had been their own responsibility. If they have taken that responsibility properly, they must have not given NOC to Tejasvi Yadav for vacating the quarter. And now when they are...
Did he get an NOC? Answer that, Neeraj Kumar. Did your PWD department give an NOC to Akhilesh Yadav? Did they give an NOC to Tejasvi Yadav?
I am talking about Tejasvi Yadav. Once evidence
even on Akhilesh, you made the same charges.
Many overloaded truck was being taken out when the guard and security person try to stop it. Rabri Devi makes a video call to security person and guard and escort them. How you stop my goods? This is the matter of damaging of government property. This is a matter of stolen of government property.
But Rabri Devi is not in power anymore. She is no longer the chief minister.
But he has
Sarkar
called in
kiski hai?
security person on guard, and then they started to pass out the trucks.
So your officers listen to Rabri Devi. Is that what you are saying, Neeraj Kumar ji?
I'm saying Raj Mata Rabri Devi, Rajat ki Raj Mata Rabri Devi was make a video call and escort the guard and security person there, and some RJD's gundas was there to escort on Scorpio to escort the all stolen goods.
Well, here on Times Now, we can't vouch for all of these details if Rabri Devi made a video call, but Neeraj Kumar tells us, come in Dr. Nikul Patel, Rabri Devi made a video call, the guards were there, they all started chanting what Raj Mata Rabri Devi has called.
The Bharatiya Janata Party must resign immediately from the government. They were not able to save the public property with the management and force and PWD department, which is under their own control. And now they want to blame that Rabri Devi had called and they have allowed us everyone to go. This is very false blame by Bharatiya Janata Party. You are failure and you are not able to save public property. Kindly resign from the post.
Neeraj Kumar ji, galti kiski hai if you can't stop people from stealing, allegedly stealing from a government bungalow, Neeraj Kumar?
This has been the behavior and habit of Lalu family since very beginning. They only know how to fill their own stomach and own homes. They have no concern about the public of Bihar, about the flood of Bihar.
This is all just you want to
Nikul Patel, he is saying essentially aadat se majboor. Lalu family has always stolen, they continue to steal even today, is what BJP is saying.
This is
Nikul
a false
Patel.
allegation. It is a failure of Bharatiya Janata Party to protect the public property, and now they want to blame RJD as well as the India Alliance. My Shehzad Poonawalla friend rightly said on the TV that Public Works Department is responsible for it, and if the government is not able to protect public property, they must resign immediately.
Look, what all these people not steal, light, geyser, fan, jingle pipet, all are
You are
government
giving
departments.
NOC to
Neeraj Kumar, do you have proof? The BJP said that there is a proof. Where is the proof and is an NOC given to Tejashwi? 2 points.
All the matter currently under investigation of the building department.
Whenever you vacant any
Let the
quarter,
truth come out.
every process is handled by
It should be
PWD
also
department,
taken,
and
definitely
when
taken.
anyone vacant from it, it has to be the process by PWD department.
Acha, was there
Then
an
anyone
NOC
can move.
given? Neeraj Kumar, did the PWD department give an NOC to Tejashwi?
Right now, he didn't get any NOC.
No NOC
They
so far.
didn't get any NOC.
हो गया.
to Tejaswi
So
Yadav.
there you have it, Nikul Patel. They've not given an NOC. They are saying Tejashwi should return everything he has stolen. And we've shown you the visuals
So
of what is stolen.
Firstly, they have not able to stop. As they are
all the
claiming,
video footage
they
are
were not
proof.
able to stop
How
to
they stole
stealing
the
of the
government
public
property.
property. They have not followed the protocol, and now before giving the NOC, the Bharatiya Janata Party Deputy Chief Minister is entering the bungalow.
But if there is evidence, Nikul Patel, would you look at these visuals? Look at these visuals. We'll find out why the PWD failed to look into this matter. But would you concede that all these things were taken off? Fittings were removed, that hydraulic bed was removed. Will you concede to that, Nikul Patel?
See, wait. Over here, unless and until
Simple
NOC
yes
is
or no
not
will
issued,
do.
PWD cannot issue the order to occupy that particular quarter by
Look at
another
the visual,
person.
Nikul Patel. Will you concede that hydraulic beds were removed, ACs were removed? We can see the markings there on the wall. You can see the exposed wires
This is
there.
the false. This is the false blame, and even RJD spokesperson said that if government is
Okay.
feeling that they must put everything on the inventory, they must come with a notice.
Acha, the
This is all
BJP says
false
that
blame
inventory
what
is
Bharatiya
getting
Janata Party
made.
is putting on
They are
it.
making a
And
list,
I rightly
BJP
said that
says.
it's a failure of
But
the-
Neeraj
it is a
Kumar,
failure
one
of
last
the
question.
government. They are
If
not able
BJP
to-
fails to prove that there is an inventory of stolen items, will BJP apologize to Tejashwi? Will you apologize to Tejashwi, Neeraj Kumar, agar list nahi bani?
Definitely, this is the
Okay.
fact. He has stolen the goods from the Bangalore, And right now, Bangalore needs full renovation.
Well, you didn't say that you're going to apologize if there is no list, but in the coming days, we are going to be tracking this story very closely. Thank you so much, Neeraj Kumar, for joining us, as well as Dr. Nikul Patel. What's the truth behind this Chori charge on Akhilesh Yadav? Well, we'll have to wait and watch. With that, a short